up you all? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So the mess you see behind me are boxes filled with makeup. So this video is going to be a gigantic, humongous, massive makeup haul. I've got quite a few products from the Nykaa Hot Pink Summer Sale and the Purple Sale. So if you are a makeup junkie like me, my friend, you've landed on the right video. And if you haven't grabbed your snack yet, you have time. I'm waiting for like 2 minutes. Go get it because we are going to be here for a while. So yeah, before moving on, a little disclaimer, this is not a sponsored video. I've got all the products by my own money. I literally dig a hole in my pocket this time. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. I would really appreciate it. So let's get into the video. I'm gonna start with Face Shop first because I've got like two products and the same products from Face Shop. This is the pomegranate and collagen volume lifting cream. I haven't tried it yet, but my sister is using it since past 1 month and she's all gaga about it, and she was after my life to get this one. This is how the bottle looks like. It's quite on the expensive side for me, but yeah, since she was forcing me, so I got it. And with this I got this rice water bright foaming cleanser free with it. And yeah, and now we are gonna dig in the purple box. I've got mostly concealers and foundation in this box because I just wanted to try out different foundation and concealer formulas. So the first one is this one. This is the Stay Quirky liquid foundation. It says enriched with vitamin E, water resistant, blends effortlessly, lightweight. It's in the shade Secret Sand. So moving on to the next product, this is also a foundation. It's the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Stick Foundation. It's in the shade Cream Beige. I've heard a lot about this one, so I really wanted to give this one a try. Up, I've got this amazing concealer by L'Oreal Paris. This is the Infallible Full Wear Concealer. It's in the shade, I don't know, 312 Amber. The only problem with this concealer is they don't have a huge range of shades. So if you get your shade, you're super lucky because this one works for me. So I just love this one. Please, L'Oreal Paris, if you're seeing this video, please get more shades in this one. Moving on to the next product, it's the Purple Long Stay Foundation. It's in the shade 08. This is how the bottle looks like. I saw one influencer using it, so I was like, I wanted to give it a try. So yeah, the next thing that I've got is again concealer. It's by Purple only. It's the Covert Operation Guardian Concealer Palette. I've got these two. Actually, I got these two by mistake, but now I'm gonna give the other one to my sister. This is how the palette looks like. I really wanted to get a concealer palette, but I was looking for affordable options to invest in first and then go within the next one. So yeah, I got this one. Next thing that I've got is this Makeup Revolution foundation stick. It's in the shade F9. It's a little light for me, I would say. I'm not sure about this shade, but I can make it work. This is how the bottle looks like. Yeah, the other thing that I've got is this Inside Concealer Foundation. Again, I saw a lot of people using it and reviewing it, and the review were good, so I was like, why not try it? And I'm unable to open it. Just a minute. What? Achievement. So it's the Inside Makeup Essential Concealer Foundation. It's in the shade 1 Cream Natural. This is how it looks like. The next thing that I've got is again a concealer. As I told you, I've got concealer and foundation from Purple. It's from Blue Haven. It's the Flawless Liquid Concealer, and I'm just unable to open these boxes. What the hell? This is how it looks like. I want to see the applicator. Okay, this is the applicator. This is actually a light shade. I got this for brightening. So yeah, now I've got some freebies from Purple. This is the Stay Quirky BB cream. This is how it looks like. I don't know. It's the shade Broad Beer 101. The other freebie I got is this giant sanitizer bottle by Good Vibes. And last freebie that I've got is this one. It's the Look Too Glam to Give a Damn highlighter stick pen, whatever you want to call it, by Stay Quirky. This is how it looks like. It looks like one of those pilot pen we used to, use in school. It's in the shade 7 High on Nudism, and let's swatch it. It smells a little weird. I don't know. Okay, nice. I'm gonna start with the brushes that I've got. All the brushes are from PAC except one. This is the one. This one is from London Pride Cosmetics. It's the Eye Contour Brush 314, and this one was suggested by a beauty influencer by the name Makeup by Mrinalini Gupta, and she recommended this one. So yeah, I got this one. I'm gonna show you. I'm just unable to open these packages. Ugh. Okay, the bristles are super soft. This is how it looks like. The brushes that I've got are pretty basic because it's never enough with brushes. So I've got two blending brushes from PAC. One is 203. This one is 203. I am just unable to open these packages. What is wrong with me? Ugh. Okay, it's slightly smaller one. This is how it looks like. Why are you not focusing? Yeah, this is how it looks like. The bristles are super soft, and PAC is one of the best brands and affordable brands to invest in your brushes. The other one is this. It's, I don't know, it's 213. This is how it looks like. Again, super soft. It's a slightly bigger eyeshadow blending brush. Now I've got this foundation brush. It's the PAC 265. Oh my god, the brushes from PAC are super soft. I don't know what to explain in this anymore. So yeah, and the last one that I've got is a concealer brush, again from PAC. It's the concealer brush 272. This is how it looks like. Woo, it's so satisfying to do this. Wow. The last thing that I've got from PAC is this 3D beauty blender set. And beauty blenders and brushes, as I told you, are something which are never enough. It comes with a pouch like this. It has two beauty blenders, which I haven't opened yet. Did I just drop the bag? Oh, the other two beauty blenders that comes in the pack. This has a flat side, this doesn't. So this can be used for your powder, baking and all of that. And super soft, super squishy, amazing quality. And if you're looking, trust me, if you're looking for some affordable options to buy these beauty blenders or brushes, PAC is your place. You can, and it's so affordable. Just get it if you want it. No. And I just realized that wasn't the last thing from PAC. The last thing is this. I promise this is the last thing from PAC. It's the lash fixer. It's the eyelash adhesive. It's one eyelash glue that I love and I swear by. I just use this one because it's affordable, it's good quality, and I haven't tried any other lash glue in my life. So this one, you can definitely try this one out. The next product that I have here is this Wet n Wild Mega Clear Eyelash and Eyebrow Mascara. I used to use this quite a long time ago, but then I stopped using it. I don't know for what reason, but I saw this in sale this time and I was like, why did I stop using it? Because it's a good product, a really good product. So yeah, I got this one. What is from Plum. It's the E-Luminous Simple Supple Cleansing Balm. I wanted a cleansing balm and I thought of buying the Earth Rhythm one, but then my friend suggested to buy this Plum one because she's already using it and according to her it's a good one. So yeah, I got it and it comes with quite good quantity. Yaar, I just want to open it and smell it. Whoa, satisfying. Okay, it smells good. Yeah, it smells good. Yes, that's it. The next thing that I've got is this one. It's the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless Normal to Oily Primer. I saw Mrunu recommending this and according to her, this is like a really good product that Maybelline has come up with. So I really wanted to try out because Maybelline is OG. It's just a classic makeup brand that I can never leave. So yeah, I got this one. I also wanted to get the elf one, the putty primer, but it was out of stock and I got so pissed. Shit, I didn't get it, but I'll get it. Also, just wanted to address this, that I'm not doing the swatches because I don't want to make the video super long, and also because I am planning to do a first impression video of the new makeup that I've got. So after this you can expect a video where I'll be, doing my makeup with all of these new products. So yeah, moving back to what I've got, this is the other product that I've got. It's the K Beauty foundation. It's the hydrating foundation, says enriched with avocado and mango butter. Sounds good. This is how the bottle looks like. It was literally a steal deal because the original price for this foundation is 1200 and I got it for 700, which is amazing. And I heard so much good reviews about it, so I was like, I want to try it. So yeah, you must be wondering that I've got so many foundations, and there are foundations that are not exactly my shade, but if you are a makeup junkie like me, you can understand what I'm trying to do here. The other thing that I've got is this gorgeous Makeup Revolution Patricia Bright Rich in Color eyeshadow palette. And Makeup Revolution is one brand that has really good range of eyeshadow palettes, and the eyeshadow palettes are really worth investing in. And it was a collaboration palette and I love this one. It has so good colors, so bright colors that I love. Oh, yay, you see that? Wow, so amazing, so pretty colors. I really love this one. I actually bought this palette for this one shimmer color over here. It has mattes, it has chunky glitter, and it has pressed glitters in it. Don't worry, I am going to swatch this one for you. So I'm gonna swatch my favorite here. Ooh, so good, so pigmented. I just don't want that it should fall. See? Wow, this shade has my heart. It says Flames. I'm gonna swatch, I think I'm gonna swatch this one, right? Ready? Wow, can you see? The glitter is so good. Oh my god, I love this palette already. I'm in love. I'm gonna swatch one matte shade for you as well. Let's do purple. Whoa. It is so pigmented, guys. It is so pigmented. I'm gonna do a pressed glitter as well. Let's do No Exit. Ready? Oh my god, this is so pretty. What the hell did I do? Shit. This is what happens when I get too excited. I can't believe I just dropped the whole palette. How clumsy I am. Moving on to the next eyeshadow palette that I've got. It's this gorgeous Huda Beauty Mercury Retrograde eyeshadow palette. I've had my eyes on this eyeshadow palette from the longest time, and I finally own this one. In this sale, Huda Beauty eyeshadow palettes are literally a steal. I got this for 36. Its original price is 53. And when I got this, after 2 days, when I think the sale has to end at by 26 or something, but by 25 the price went to 2600. I was like, what? So if you're looking for these palettes, you should definitely invest in them when sale season is around. Oh my god, look at this palette. I just love this one. Ooh, drum rolls please. Wow, can you see the shades? Why is it not focusing? Stupid camera, why are you not focusing? Look at this. I love this shade. I love this shade. I just don't want to touch it, but I really want to swatch it for you guys. So yeah, I'm going to do that, and I'm going to do it very carefully because I definitely don't want to drop this one. So we're gonna do the Mercury. So good. I love it. I already love it. Oh shade, it's so pretty. We're gonna do Nebula. Ready? It's a chunky glitter. Wow, I'm in love. I'm in love with both the palettes. Let's do one more, you know. Let's do this one. Or matte. I'm not sure. Let's do glitter only. Let's do gold glitch. Wow, so good. I can't wait to play with these colors. My god. I really want to swatch all of these, but I think it will take time, but I think I can do one or two more. Let's do this here. No, let's do a matte now. Let's do this one. It's haze. It's so pigmented. Can you see? Oh my god, I don't have space left. Wow. Now we're gonna do one last shade. Let's do ultraviolet over here. I don't have space on my hand now. Wow, so pretty color, so pretty. I love this. Oh my god, I so love this. I can't wait to use this one. I really can't. But I am so happy to be having this palette. Just gonna keep it like anything. Moving on to the next product now. I've got this Laneige lip sleeping mask. It's in the flavor berry. I wanted this again from a very long time, but I was very skeptical about this one because there were so many mixed reviews about this product. So I got a mini version because if it didn't work out, then I really don't want to waste my money. So I got this one. The original price is I guess 500 and I got it for 450, which is not really a steal deal, but yeah, I really wanted to try this because according to some people it's a really good product, but according to few it's super bad. So yeah, it smells amazing. I really want to eat it. It smells so good. Heaven. Next thing that I've got is this combo from Too Faced. It's one is lip injection, the other one is a lip gloss. I've got this similar combo for my sister because my sister is mad about this lip injection and I'm really scared about this lip injection because I'm not the kind of a girl, you know, who likes super big lips. I'm pretty happy with how my lips look, so I'm quite scared to use this one because I mean, I don't know. So this is how the lip injection looks like. This is how the lip injection looks like. It's the Too Faced Lip Injection Extreme. It says instant and long-term lip plumper. I'm not ready to use it right now, but in the next video, we're going to use it. The next thing in the combo is this gloss. It's the Rich Dazzling Too Faced Rich Dazzling High Shine Sparkling Lip Gloss. It's in the shade Sunset Crush. This is how it looks like. I love Too Faced packaging. I just love it. It's so luxe. I can't even tell you. I'm gonna swatch it for you, or maybe I'm gonna apply it. No, I'm not gonna apply it. I'm just gonna swatch it. And I don't have space left. The hell? I'm gonna do on this hand. Ready? Whoa, it's a pretty gloss. It has some little shimmer to it and it's kind of pinkish yellowish. Yeah, so yeah, it's good. Does it smell good? Yeah, it smells good. Since I shopped a lot, Nykaa was super generous to me and sent me a few freebies. The first one is this. It's a pouch. It's that All That You Love pouch by Janhvi Kapoor. It says Nykaa, cute makeup pouch. I'm actually quite obsessed with the color pink these days, but not obsessed, but I've started liking this color because pink is one color that I completely hate, but I am growing quite fond of it. But yeah, whatever. The other one is this fan by Too Faced. It's a gorgeous fan. You know, you can expect a few transitions on my Instagram with this fan because it's so nice. Wow, I like this. Okay, enough. All right, the other thing that I've got is this lip pencil by PAC. It's their Candy Crush. It feels like a pen, you know, those Pilot pens. Again, I'm talking about those pens, you know, we used to use in school. I am just unable to open packages today. Okay, got this. I wish it was some other color because I already own so much red. Woo, this is how it looks like. Where do I swatch it, man? It's blood red. It's not bad. It's a good color. Slightly on the orange side. The last product for this video is this huge freebie by Makeup Revolution. It's an eyeshadow palette worth rupees 2k, and I was like, what happened to Makeup Revolution? So this is the Makeup Revolution Kisu eyeshadow and highlighter palette, and this is how it looks like. Again, pink, but since I'm liking pink, so never mind. Yeah, this is how it looks like. These are the shades. I'm gonna swatch some for you. Let's swatch this shade called Maldives. Nice. It's similar to some shade over here. I don't know. Let's swatch Bloodlust. It's kind of red. Nice. It's pretty pigmented, yaar. For a freebie, it's pretty pigmented. It was the shade Mai, and it's so good. It's a rust glitter kind of shade. Let's swatch Ivy. No. Ivy is pretty boring. Let's swatch. I don't know. I'm unable to choose between these two. Let's swatch Khaleesi. It's a highlighter. Wow, nice. It's a gold shade highlighter. Nice palette. Really nice palette. Thank you, Makeup Revolution. Thank you for being so generous. Alright, so this brings us to the end of this video. I hope you liked it and you found something informative. And if you did, then don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And I know I am pretty irregular with YouTube, but I am really trying hard from now on to be regular with it. I am not promising anything, but I'll try my best. Also, I know there is a huge demand of this part 2 of the chips challenge that I did with my brother. You can expect that video after one more video, because I really want to keep in a continuation with this video and the other one that I'm going to do next. It will be the first impressions of this new makeup. So after that, you can expect that video. And yeah, that's it. I'll meet you guys next time. Bye bye.